Good morning, students. In the last class, we have seen what do you mean by title, document of title, okay, of goods, okay. ऐसे हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था. In the today's class, we will see explain the principles of secured advances. Now, what do you mean by principles of secured advances? Now यहाँ पे पहले क्या रखना है, if the question comes explain the general principles of secured advances, then you should first give the introduction. So here it is like, if the employment of its fund, the banker generally attaches great significance to the consideration of security, okay. तो सो यर लार्जली डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द बोरोवर्स फंड, ओके. बैंकर्स क्या करते हैं, दे लार्जली डिपेंड ऑन बोरोवर्स फंड, ओके. सो यर बैंकर कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू टेक अनड्यू रिस्क, ओके. जब बोरोवर्स के फंड के ऊपर वो डिपेंड रहते हैं, देन दे कैन नॉट टेक रिस्क, ओके. सो यर बैंकर ने क्या करना चाहिए, ही देयरफॉर सेफगार्ड द इंटरेस्ट बाय गारंटिंग लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस on the security of tangible assets, that is large variety of goods and commodities, documents and immovable properties. So secured advances account for the major portion of the total bank advances, okay. So in case of secured advances, a charge is created over the asset of the borrower in favor of the bank, okay. So ने क्या करना चाहिए, therefore recovers the dues from the customers out of the sale proceeds of the assets charged by him. So through the security furnished by the customers provides the element of protection and safety to lending bankers. So he is liable to suffer losses due to his ignorance, negligence and carelessness. So below they discuss nature of the types of securities offered by the bankers for necessary precautions taken by the latter. So अगर उन्होंने negligence किया, then banker has to suffer the losses. जो भी loss हुआ, bank will put directly on the banker. So they should take all the precaution. So there are general principles of secured advances. So while granting advances on the basis of securities offered by the customer, the banker should observe the following basic principles, that is adequacy of margin. यहाँ पे क्या करना चाहिए, पहले margin, that is the profit that bank should earn, okay. So the word margin specifically means the banking business, okay, and it is a very important and having a significance or special meaning in the banking business, okay. So in banking terminology, margin is what, it is the difference between the market value and of the security and the amount of advances granted against it. For example, if the banker sanctions an advance of rupees 70, okay, against the security of goods worth rupees 100, okay. गुड्स है 100 रुपीज़ का और बैंक क्या करता है 70 रुपीज़ का उसको लोन देता है. सो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 100 एंड 70 इज 30. नाउ दिस 30 इज कॉल्ड द मार्जिन ऑफ द बैंक, ओके. सो बैंकर ने क्या करना चाहिए, ही ऑलवेज कीप्स एन एडुकेट मार्जिन बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रीजन. व्हाई ही कीप्स द एडुकेट मार्जिन, the market value of the security is liable to fluctuations in future, with the result that a banker secured loans may turn into partly secured ones, okay. Then the liability of the borrower towards the banker increases gradually as interest occurs and other charges become payable by him. For example, if the loans are rupees 100 is sanctioned by the banker today, okay, and the liability of the borrower at a future date, say a year after, would increase by the amount of its interest occurred, okay, and the other charges payable to him. So hence the banker keeps adequate margin to cover not only the present debt but also the additions to the debt. Okay, next is factors determining margin. What are the factors that determine the margin? Quantum of the margin is not uniform in case of all commodities or in case of all the customers. So there are fluctuating prices, okay. So what are those fluctuating prices? The amount of the margin depends on the upon the likely fluctuations in the prices of the various commodities, okay. So here, for example, if the commodity enjoys steady demand, okay, if there is steady demand and if the items of the essential consumptions lower, the margin is fixed, but the prices of the articles of the luxury are likely to fluctuate widely. Hence, bankers should be very cautious in accepting the same and should require very high margin. Next is financial positions and reputation. So in case of shares of individual industrial concern, the financial position and reputation of issuing undertaking is also taken into account. So share of sound industrial concerns are treated as good as government securities and lower margin is required. Credit and reputation of borrower. So margin is fixed keeping in the view the credit and the reputation of the borrower's concern. So lower margin may be fixed by the borrower, okay, having first class reputation against the security of the same commodity. Okay, ये याद रखना चाहिए कि क्रेडिट एंड रेपुटेशन ऑफ द borrower का क्रेडिट रेटिंग कैसा है एंड उसका रेपुटेशन कैसा है, so that should be taken into consideration. Next is variation in the prices of security. Now the margin that is determined at the time of sanctioning an advance may be raised or reduced subsequently according to the variation in the prices of the security. Okay, obligations imposed by RBI. So in case of the commodities which are subject to selective credit control of Reserve Bank, the margins are usually prescribed by the Reserve Bank from time to time. It is essential for the bank to keep such margin. Okay, margin रखना ही चाहिए. RBI के according there should be a margin that is fixed, and according to that fixed prescribed margin, bank should keep the margin from time to time. Next is marketability of security. Now advances are usually granted for short period by the commercial bank because their deposit resources except term deposit are either repayable on demand or at a short notice. So if customer defaults in making payment, the banker has to liquidate the security. Okay, so it is therefore essential that the security offered by the borrower may be disposed of without the loss from time of money. Okay, that banker should be very cautious in accepting assets which are not easily marketable. Okay, जो assets easily marketable नहीं है वैसे उन्होंने accept नहीं करना चाहिए. So it is proverbial said the banker lend his umbrella when the sky is clear and demand it back as soon as it's rain. Okay, so it is true because the wider sense he is the trustee of the people's saving. Okay, he cannot act as a philanthropistic in granting aid to the people who is likely to get ruined liquidity of the security. Okay, किसी को भी लोन नहीं देना चाहिए. There should therefore it is a prime consideration. Okay, पहला marketability of the security देखनी चाहिए कि security जो भी ले रहे हैं वो फ्यूचर में marketable है या नहीं. Next is documentation. So documentation means that necessary documents, example agreement of pledge. Next is documentation. Okay, documentation मतलब क्या है? It is the necessary document should be given. Okay, so here agreement of pledge or mortgage etc. Okay, so are prepared and signed by the borrower at a time of securing a loan from the bank. Okay, so though it is not necessary under the law to have such agreement in writing, and mere deposit of goods or securities will be sufficient to constitute a charge over them, but it is highly desirable to get document signed by the borrower. Okay, और ये document जो है shall contain all terms and conditions on which the loan is sanctioned by the banker. Hence any misunderstanding or dispute later may be easily avoided. Next is realization of advances. Okay, जो advances है, okay, if the borrower defaults in making payment on a specific date, the banker may realize his debt from the sale proceeds of the security pledged to him. Okay, pledge may sell the securities by giving proper notice to the pledger of his intention to sell the securities. Okay, in case of loan repayable on demand, a reasonable period is to be permitted by the banker for such repayment. Okay, and the period may be shorter only if it is if there is any urgency of sending the commodities immediately. So in the view of falling trend of their prices, if the banker is unable to recover his full dues from the security, he shall file a suit for its recovery within a period of 3 years from the date of sanctioning of the advances. Okay, so in case the term loan repayable after the period of limitation shall be counted for the expiry of that particular fixed period. ओके, ये हो गया रियलाइजेशन ऑफ एडवांसेस. सो दिस पॉइंट शुड बी कंसिडर्ड वाइल दे ग्रांट अ लोन. ओके, जब वो लोग लोन देते हैं then banker should keep this principle into mind. That is, general principles कौन से है? Adequacy of margin, that is the difference in granting the loan and the market value of the loan. Then factors determining margin, क्या क्या factors है that will determine the margin? Fluctuation in the prices, financial position and reputation, credit and reputation of the borrower, variation in the securities, prices of the securities, obligations imposed by RBI. Second is marketability of securities. Next is documentation, and the last one is realization of advances. Okay, इतना याद रखना चाहिए. Okay, that is very important to grant a loan.